Well, hello, everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer. And I'm Jenny, the Crazy Country Couponer, and I got you some of the latest Dollar General news that you want to know. And you do want to know. So come on in, and on your way in, please like and share the video. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you come on in too, and like and share the video. And then I want you to stop. I want you to subscribe and become one of our new crazy friends. And that way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we have here, well, every other day, at least. So look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell and make sure it says all. And, well, there you go, right now, so you don't forget. And there you are, now you're one of us. Congratulations and welcome. All right, everybody, if you haven't done it already, please, let's do the deeds. Please like it, share it even to yourself. And, yes, even to yourself, if you need to, because they're counting them. And so I guess it matters just if you share it, not who you share it to. So share it, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and make a comment and an emoji, please. If you're here watching the content, even for the first minute, please leave a comment. Same goes for any other content provider that you watch. Leave an emoji or a comment for them. It's super important for YouTube. And for you too. Because if we don't do this for YouTube, they will eventually take us off. So, important for you too. Thank you very much. Now, what we got going on today? Well, we've got some information and we've got a daily deal. Now, the information is true to Dollar General. We've got some changes to the clearance event coming up. Okay? That starts on the 29th, which is a Friday, and runs to October the 5th. So we do have changes. So let's discuss some of the changes. Now, the home sales. It is going to be sheets, blankets, and bedding. Excludes Brown Dot and Christmas. But it also includes the throws on the hangers. And it is buy one, get one free. It will not include any of the towels and washcloths. So it is strictly bedding. Not sure about pillows. I didn't see that listed. Next, you are going to have your lawn and garden still on the clearance. Okay. And we have a different dates for our POG clearance and regular clearance. Now, what that is POG clearance is the orange ticketed items in your store. And regular clearance is anything that is already on a clearance sale or on your designated clearance aisles, okay? Or yellow ticketed. Little yellow tickets are also clearance. Now, the dates for this part of this big clearance extravaganza is going to be September the 29th to October 1st. So, it's still going to follow the normal 3-day sale deal. So, instead of having an entire week to take advantage of this, which they really should give us, if they want that stuff gone, let that sale run for a week. It will be gone. But the last couple of clearance sales, it came right after school started, right before school started. So people had other obligations, particularly now. You got to pick and choose your obligations. So they're going to go with that POG clearance and the clearance aisle again. So get your coupons clipped, paper and digital, your shop mem claimed, and Ibotta claimed up. And that way you won't miss any way to save and earn more money on the clearance. So those are the new information as far as I know on the clearance dates. Now, one of the things I wanted to alert you to, we have that $2 off when you spend $10 on General Mills products, all right? Now, we have these 75-cent off one. We have a $1.25 off of two and $1 off of two, I believe, General Mills coupons. However, when I was in the store yesterday, I came across some chocolate Lucky Charms that had dollar coupons on them, okay? Yeah. So you could, and they were Peelies. So you could use these Peelies with that deal. So, keep a lookout for the chocolate Lucky Charms. They have dollar Peelies on them. And another suggestion, if you've got your 2001 and you use these products, this one or the Always is giving you a really big earn back. This is giving you a $10 earn back. Now, you have to get 2 of these to get that $10 earn back, but we've got that 10 off of 40, and of course we've got our normal 5 off of 25. You could use the 5 off of 25, and you would be ending up getting pretty much buy one, get one free. However, you're going to be right at $31 and change with 2 of these. And if you do happen to get the ones for the $24.75, you would basically be there. You would be past that. Okay? That's 84 pads. I guess that's a big pack. So that's $24.75 for these poise pads. So if you didn't want to go over and get 2, you could just get one of the $15.65 and one of the $24.75, and that would put you on the purchasing 2. Okay, more bang for your buck. And you would be right there at $40, so you would be getting $20 off of that. So again, it's basically buy one, get one free. No matter which way you do it, that's how it kind of bears out. So if you use these products, put them in a scenario, use that 10 off of 40 or that 5 off of 25 along with this $10 earn. Okay, the deal we're going to talk about is this cotton nail deal. Because the cotton nail is $5.50. And we've got a $2.50 coupon for 2. This is really good for cotton nail. So we're going to pick up 2 of these for $11. And when our $2.50 coupon comes off, you're at $8.50. Okay, this is almost as good as the Scott deal. Almost. Next, we're going to pick up a bottle of Ajax dish detergent right here, and a bottle of Palmolive dish detergent. Now, this is glitching. It's a glitch at the register, not in the coupon, okay? So it is in the details, so make sure you listen up. When you go to the register and you're doing the Ajax deal, if you choose just to do your Ajax deal, excuse me guys, you will put your Ajax up first, and then you'll put your Palmolive up. Then the Ajax price, which is $4.35, will come off instead of the $3.50 price for the Palmolive. Now, that leaves you paying $3.50 for these 2 products. Well, we're going to combine both of these deals together for a really awesome daily deal. Now, I used to do daily deals and tell you, use your lunch money, or you change from your lunch. Because we could get daily deals for like $2. But then again, sometimes our lunch only cost us $5. This was just a little bit ago. Now our lunch is costing us $10 to $12. So we got a little bit more wiggle room to work with. So if you wanted to skip lunch today to get you some stuff for your household, or eat something light, or maybe tomorrow take a peanut butter sandwich, so you can do this deal. You're going to pick up the 2 Continental, the Ajax, and the Palmolive. And at the register, you're going to put up the Ajax first, then the Palmolive, and then your Continental. And then you'll put in your phone number. Now, after everything is said and done, your out-of-pocket should be $12 for all 4 items. Now, this is a win-a-win-a deal simply because just the 2 Continental was $11. Okay? Just those together were $11. So that is pretty much like purchasing your Continental and getting your Ajax and Palmolive for free. Really close to doing that. So this is a really awesome deal, especially for paper products. So blessings. We got more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information coming up, because you know you want to know, and I want to tell you about it. So come back, and I'll see you then. Blessings.